Anyway, guys, this video will only be like about almost 2 minutes because I don't have much space on my phone, and I will be making other videos later, like later on, maybe in about like 3 hours after I post these videos. And I really hope I get a lot of views and stuff like that. But please, guys, get like 2,000 likes on this video, and yeah, let's get like 2,000 likes on this video, guys. All right, we're just going down to the what? What is it? What is this? What is this truck? Truck! But guys, I'm just kidding. I was showing off. Like, oh, he's a YouTuber. Well, I don't even know what this stuff is. So, what is that? It's like. So, guys, I really hope you like this video. If you get 2,000 likes and subscribe to my channel, comment down below what else I should do. Like, even though, like, on my other videos, I think I said, like, I'll be smashing, like, a hammer, like, fruits and stuff, like watermelons and other kinds of stuff. Watermelons, lemons, limes, of course, cantaloupe. Look at this centipede. Really have to be in the way, cat?